Y'all ready? Give me two. And relax, just be ready to take a stroke line column. I'm going to do some stroking here now and try to line this up. Say, give me one. Give me two more. Looking pretty good. Might get a little bump on the right, just be loose. All right, here comes Trumpy's ledge. We're looking pretty good. This is the line I prefer. Oh, yeah. Wave at the camera lady. Woo! Give me one more. Lean forward. This is surfing. Whoa, I got it up there pretty high. I couldn't even reach the water. Look over to your left. It's a petrified baby brontosaurus. See his flipper rocks, his head's looking right at me. If you look close, see his spine and little tail pointing up in the road even. The ramp guys, most of them think it's a turtle. All us kayakers know it's really a dinosaur. Give me two. There's this crazy guest once that told me it was just a rock. I was really worried he'd been drinking before he got on the river. Oh, there's a photographer looking at us here. Smile. Oh, yeah. A little bump on the right. Don't fall out, Fred. Don't anybody else fall out either. Oh, now I gotta watch those kayakers on my way to the safety eddy. Okay, here it comes. Come on, friend. It's gonna be wet and silly right here.